Today I'm out here with my little Honda Gromzilla. Obviously, if you've been following along, it's now tuned on E85. So we got our little E85 only sticker up there. So I've had this Adonli Racing dual high mount exhaust on here for a while. And keep in mind this is a Grom SF. And I'll show you what this looks like started up. It's cold. She's cold. Okay, so that's what it sounds like cold with this dual exhaust. We are going to straight pipe it today. So we're going to get rid of these big mufflers. These are just, they've been fun and I do like them. But we want to change up this whole entire exhaust eventually. Get rid of this cheaper exhaust system. Still, this system is about $400. I mean, I've seen it as low as $260. I paid $400 back when I first got the bike. Okay, so we're going to change it up today. So I just like to keep the audience updated as to what we do with the bike. Making some big changes to it for this summer, because we are going to try to drag race it and go after that top 10 list as one of the fastest Groms in the 8th mile. So with that being said, about to take it over to Trail Performance, let them work their magic on this rear exhaust part. For now, we're just going to put some pieces of pipe up here to straight pipe it, just to get rid of these big canisters. We'll save quite a bit of weight, and it'll sound a lot better too. Really like the idea of having it being open. And then later on we'll come back and we'll get rid of all the cheaper exhaust pipe. Okay, so about to head over to Trail Performance and then we'll check out what they do. So here we are at Trail Performance shop. This is what we're looking at. Gonna weld tabs right here to bolt in. We're cutting that now. Give it just a little rev, Joe. Yeah, I can edit whatever. Good?
Oh, the cops are already on their way.
Okay, on screen here, I'm going to show you the photos I took of the Adonli Racing exhaust on the scale versus the two pipes on the exhaust on the scale. It's quite a bit of weight difference too, really. I mean, obviously every little bit is going to help. Okay, so like promised, we are back from Trill Performance's shop. You see the really super clean welds that they do. Absolutely tremendous. Okay, always been a huge fan of their weld work. That's why I decided to have them do it. Okay, so right now this just is slipped onto that Adonli Racing dual exhaust setup, and eventually the goal would be to redo that so it's all one piece coming up. It's just kind of a pain in the ass because it goes down and around the frame, but there it is. That's how we're gonna run it. This thing sounds absolutely amazing, and we're definitely not anywhere near as restrictive as we were with those stock mufflers. And I mean, the head work has been worked on too. So the header pipe has been redone so it matches up with my port job. It's cold. It's at about 120 degrees or so. Okay, so there it is at idle. Okay, so it's a little extreme, but this is what we wanted to test, was how loud it actually is. And obviously we'll do that big open 2-inch all the way down, get it as open as we can, and we'll probably gain quite a bit off of just doing that on the exhaust, because this Adonli Racing exhaust, obviously it's a little bit restrictive. But this is what we want to take to the track this summer, and this is going to be the way we're going to get a little more power out of her. Anyways, there you guys go. Just wanted to give you guys an update on the Grom, the old Gromzilla. Okay, thanks for watching. If you guys got any questions, let me know. If you got any questions about tuning work, you need a custom tune for your Grom, you can look me up on Facebook and message me through there, or Instagram. I'll put a link in the description to go follow me. You guys have a good day. Thanks for watching. Peace.